In this video, I will show you how to make your Facebook account private. Now, there's no straightforward way to make your Facebook account private, but you can edit your profile and make some settings to make your account somehow private. And as far as editing your profile is concerned, you can remove your profile picture, cover photo, and bio to try to make your account private. And for other details like your current city, workplace, education, hometown, relationship, family members, and hobbies, you can set them to be seen by only you. You can also set your contact info and basic info like your birthday to be seen by only you. And concerning settings, you can go to audience and visibility and make changes that will make your account a little bit private. You can set how you want people to find and contact you. You can also set who can follow you, who can see your posts and content, who can tag you and post on your profile, and make some more private settings on blocking and active status. And on account center, you can change your name and username to a more private one and personal details. And after making these private settings, you can go to privacy checkup and confirm your settings and make more private settings and who can see what you share and how people can find you on Facebook. And to access these private settings with much ease, you can always go to privacy shortcuts under settings and privacy. And if you want to make your Facebook account more public again, you can always switch your changes and settings. You can go to edit your profile and on settings and make your desired changes and settings to make your account more public again. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it and if you want to grow and succeed on Facebook and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.